pussy you want, give me how much money and fuck me?
1,500, no me.
Man, let me tell you something. You want to give me 1,500 to fuck me? You could never fuck me. You're kind of black, we stick to my body like an animal. If you use bleach, we take it off. Baby, my bleaching cream too expensive for lay along with you. And your belly, you need cold and cleanse. And me, I tell you right now, my pussy will shame the way your face ugly, my love. My pussy on your face, my darling. My pussy is very pretty. And it's pretty in your face. And me couldn't take your hood. Your head is so fucking big. Me don't know you probably kill me to ras by the time you lay down on top of me. Boy, you're mad. Yeah, come out of your head. 1,500. You need 1,500 to buy some soap and some bleach and scrub your fucking stinking balls. You would probably a rotten off. Who you to? Come talk to me, boy. You're like a dog shit. You need cold and cleanse. Come talk to me. Don't blood clot run. But 1,500 to fuck me. You can't fuck me. You need 1,500 for your blood clot self. You need 1,500 for wash off your blood clot dick. You need cold and cleanse to wash out your gut. You fucking small hood. You probably need extender of blood clot Viagra. What the fuck you talking about? You're bright. Who the fuck you think you're talking to? Do you fucking know me? You don't know me from nowhere. But 1,500 to fuck me. You need 1,500 to get a fucking brain together. You lost your fucking mind. Are you out of your fucking mind? You're fucking black and so crusty. My bleaching cream, me have to buy $1,000 worth. If you take off about the black way I put on my body. You're out of order. You're out of order. None out of order in passing place. And I must tell him when this earth. Him is wrong. And I'm gone to a blood clot for a Jamaica me come from. Me are 41 years old. The boy black and ugly and rusty in a pussy clot. My pussy would have vomit by your blood clot face. That's what you tongue me not want in my pussy kind of shame. A pretty put on gonna have a pretty pussy. And my pussy pretty than what your face. Drink the liquor and drink it, blood clot and try to get your hood for stand up. You little useless motherfucker. Africa we say, you wanna talk for this one? You wanna talk like this? You wanna talk like this? No, make it talk like this. Make it talk like this. You Africa, no, don't you fucking ass. Your man go. You wanna talk Africa? I talk to Africa for you, motherfucker. I talk Africa for you,